First, we'll clean the surface with the provided alcohol wipe. It will help to degrease the surface, and then we'll wipe off the excess alcohol with the help of a dry wipe. Spraying soap solution on top of the screen, we will take the guard and remove the layer 1 of the guard. Peel the layer 2 as well, it will expose you to the glue side of the guard. Spraying soap solution on the glue side of the guard generously. Place the guard on the display screen and find a perfect fit. The screen is elongated from the bottom, which is why you might have to rotate the guard once you place it. And the soap solution will help you to rotate the guard easily once you place it on the screen. Spray soap solution on top of the guard as well. It will help for the squeezy to glide easily on the surface. From the center towards the edge, push all the soap solution bubbles out. Once you visibly see no bubbles, clean the excess soap solution with the help of a dry wipe. If there are any bubbles across the edges, you can push them off with the dry wipe itself. And it is ready in no time, clean, clear and crisp for the Royal Enfield.